Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken potato salad. First, gather your main ingredients. About 2 cups of cooked chicken, 3 medium potatoes, 1 stalk of celery, and 1/4 of a red onion. For the dressing, you will need 1/2 cup of mayonnaise and 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. Don't forget fresh herbs like dill or parsley for a burst of flavor. This combination creates a delicious base for your salad. Now let's prepare our ingredients. Dice your cooked chicken into small, bite-sized pieces, roughly 1/2 inch. Next, boil your potatoes until tender, then let them cool before cubing them into 3/4 inch pieces. Finely chop 1 stalk of celery and 1/4 of a red onion to add a nice crunch. Combine all these prepared ingredients in a large mixing bowl, ensuring they are evenly distributed. The dressing is key to a great chicken potato salad. In a separate bowl, whisk together 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, and 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. Season with 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Stir in 2 tablespoons of fresh chopped dill or parsley. Taste and adjust the seasoning as needed to achieve a perfectly balanced and creamy dressing. Finally, pour your delicious dressing over the chicken and potato mixture. Gently fold everything together until all ingredients are well coated. Be careful not to mash the potatoes too much. Cover the bowl and refrigerate the salad for at least 1 hour. This chilling time allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Serve cold and enjoy your homemade chicken potato salad. Remember to check the description for the Owala water bottle link and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.